Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you eBay how to edit listing. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to edit an eBay listing, you can edit a listing before or during the active listing period, but some changes are like changing auction type or category may be restricted once the listing has bids. So in order to do it, simply head over and open up your eBay application and sign in with your seller account. Then what you need to do is tap on your billing icon on the bottom of your screen, and that will take you to the search section. Now here what you need to do is scroll down and find the option that says active, and then once you are inside the active, find the listing by simply scrolling to the listing you want to edit, and now simply click on tap on it. Now inside what you need to do is tap on the edit button given, and once you are tapped in the edit, you can now change title, description, price, photos, quantity, shipping, and item specifics. Some changes like category or option type may be restricted once the listing is active. Now after editing, click Save or Submit Changes button and your listing updates immediately. And then buyers will see the updated listing, and make sure to review your changes carefully. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.